Hello, my friends. Hello, teacher. My name is Andres Santiago Rondon, and today I will present the recipe for my favorite food, lasagna. And the ingredients are broccoli, onions, cheese, bechamel sauce, butter, tomatoes, ground beef, pork bacon, pasta from lasagna, oregano, shredded chicken, and uh, the preparation is one. Start by cook the meat a little. 2. Um, to burn the tomatoes, onions, garlic, bacon into squares and eat space if you want. If you want to likely it or cut it in other why esto why you can also do it. Um, 3. After everything is cooked, put a pot of water to boil. Uh, put the pasta lasagna, separate separate from one to the other, so that it does not stick. Um, 3. If you want to put one a better easy. 4. Uh, then start to assemble the lasagna part by part. But some past 5. But some past for lasagna eat chicken, bacon, meat, and bechamel sauce. 6. At the end, eat the grated cheese and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Thank you very much. Bye bye.